What's behind this door? What's really going on, PEZ Collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. I'm so excited to hear what's behind this door. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Wow, then. All right, so the question was asked to me, how do you organize a PEZ room? You know, I frankly don't have that answer. But what I do have an answer for is, don't let it overwhelm you. Do not let it overwhelm you, whatever you do. I know some of you probably have piles of PEZ in your house. New ones! New ones! Look at all the mail, all the boxes! And all I can say is, just don't be overwhelmed. PEZ collecting is supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be happy. I mean, look how happy Blinky Bill is. He's so happy. That's because he's hanging around with these Freddies. There's the 4-pack. But yeah, how you show your PEZ is how you decide to do it, not how everybody else does it. I show these videos of other people's collections to show you, ideas and what else is out there and how cool it can be. But here is a work in progress. A huge work in progress. Ooh. Oh. So yeah, you aren't the only one. There are others as well, with really cool things that they're wanting to display. But again, don't let it consume you. Don't let it overwhelm you. Just enjoy it. I can't wait to see this room when it's finally done. So until then, which hopefully will be next time,